Hello, and welcome to the Teacher Introductory video. When you set up your teacher account just now, you created or joined a class. The class name shows here. If you are teaching more than one class and need to create another class, click the plus sign and follow the instructions. From now on, the first thing you should do after signing in is select which class you wish to work with, as every detail you see on your screen will be for the class selected here. Most of the time, you will be viewing the program in Teacher View. However, you can change to Student View by clicking here. This enables you to experience the program as a student. You can switch from Teacher View to Student View and vice versa at any time. Your dashboard provides an overview of the first two modules and the teacher and student introductory videos. However, when the first student completes Module 1, the dashboard changes to show feedback on the module your class is currently working on, a summary of the next module to be unlocked, the class leaderboard, and news. The Modules tab is the engine room of MoneyTime. It contains 30 self-directed modules arranged into topics. For example, Topic 1 is Earning, Saving, and Interest. Topic 2 is Employment. You need to unlock modules before students can begin them. This allows you to control when modules are done. We recommend they be unlocked one at a time so that all students are working on the same module concurrently. However, you may wish to unlock a number of modules so that students can undertake self-directed learning in a block. Modules can only be unlocked in sequence as the module content builds on previous modules. Included in most topics are modules specifically designed for students to do at home with their parents. Their icons are a deeper purple color with a P for parent after the module number. These modules revise and reinforce the learnings in the student modules, allow students to discuss financial matters with their parents, and put their learning into context. They are not compulsory, so it is not necessary to unlock a parent module or for students to complete it before they can move on to the next student module, but they still have to be unlocked for the students to access them. You can preview a module by clicking here. This allows you to work through the module as a student in Student View. We recommend you do the modules ahead of your students so you know what to expect. The Guide button is where you access the module guides. These are an essential resource for you as they include achievement objectives, curriculum links, and class activities for when students finish the module. The activities are important for progressing knowledge to practical application, and we recommend using them at the end of each module. We've done the work, you just need to follow the guide. Results for the module can be viewed by clicking here, or you can see all results on the Results tab. The default results screen is for the whole class. You can sort data by clicking on any of the column headings. You can print all results in the format shown on the screen, or you can export them to a CSV file. In individual student results, you can see the students' results for every quiz and test question. The pre-post difference will show here once the student completes a topic. It is the percentage change from the pre-test to the post-test. This is vital feedback for you on how well the student is managing the program. In the Modules Results screen, you can select a module and see what questions students had difficulty with. You can click on the question number to see the question and the correct answer. The results can be sorted by first name, last name, and total. Refresh your screen to ensure you are seeing the latest results. The leaderboard can also be sorted. As well as identifying your superstars, it is a way of identifying low achievers who may require personal assistance. The Manage tab shows which students have joined your class. To add students, follow the instructions in the pop-up. Use the Manage tab for editing a student's details, deleting a student, or sending them an email by which they can reset their password. Finally, The Resources tab contains the introductory videos and other useful documents which can be viewed then printed. We recommend you watch the student introductory video now if you haven't done so already. The program is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly for teachers. However, if you have any questions, we are only an email or phone call away.